This treatment will help a lot of people that want to unify their complexion, to remove darkness, dark elbows, dark knuckles, and the rest. So here we have lemon. Lemon juice is highly effective. It contains natural bleaching agents that helps to remove marks, blemishes, imperfections. Okay, so this is compulsory because it helps to lighten those darkness of yours. It contains vitamin C that helps to unify the complexion, making your skin very healthy. So this is important to get, and you have to also get sugar. So sugar contains vitamins and minerals that is very great for the skin. It will help to get rid of those dead skin cells, a powerful exfoliator that you need. It also has lightening properties as well that will help to fade away those darkness on your skin that makes your skin looking so uneven. If you are naturally dark in complexion, this will just unify your skin, bringing out your complexion and making your skin looking so flawless and glowing. So sugar is important. So we are going to be using these two as a scrub. I have two methods here, the scrub and the mask. So we are going to start with the scrub. All you have to do is just to add sugar. Add it on the lemon like this. This is the easiest way to get rid of it. You can also add sugar into a bowl, squeeze in some amount of lemon juice, then use it as a scrub. Scrub your skin with it. So on your dark knees or dark elbows, you just have to scrub. Okay, as you scrub it, you have to squeeze it a little bit to bring out some of the juice, just like this. Add more sugar as you scrub. This is also good for all parts of the body. Okay, it will help to unify your skin, making your skin so glowing. So if you have not been exfoliating your skin, you have to try it. One of the ways of achieving a great skin is by exfoliating it, so that any other thing you apply on your skin will work perfectly. So make sure you apply more sugar as you scrub. Squeeze out more juice from it, just like this. After scrubbing it, you have to leave it for some time to penetrate, because the ingredients are so active. You have to allow it to penetrate, to dry a little bit for about 10 minutes before washing it off. After 10 minutes, I'll be right back. After washing it off, you will notice how smooth and soft your skin will appear. This is just the first thing you will notice. So it's time to show you the marks, how to prepare these marks that when you apply it, it's going to fade away those darkness, dark elbows, any part of the skin you want to brighten. And here we have rice powder. So rice powder or rice flour is so exfoliating. It will remove dead skin cells, any other dead skin cells remaining. It also contains lightening properties that you need to protect your skin and make them lighter. Rice powder is a powerful sunscreen that helps to protect your skin from redarkening, especially avoiding darkness, dark elbows, and other blemishes. So it's important in this remedy, and you have to add 1 tablespoon depending on how you want to prepare it. If you want the quantity to be much, increase the ingredients. So this is 1 tablespoon of rice powder. The next one to add here is turmeric. Turmeric is highly potent, very full of antioxidant that helps to protect your skin against redarkening. It contains natural bleaching agent that you need to take care of your skin, especially those darkness of yours. So you have to add a little of it, like just a pinch of it will go a long way. And the last ingredient is almond oil. Almond oil is a powerful oil that helps to unify the skin. This will help to correct any uneven skin tone, like helping to fade away those dark patches on your skin. Almond oil will also help to protect your skin, keep your skin well moisturized and well hydrated, thanks to the vitamin E content in it that helps to fight free radical damage. So your skin is going to improve so well. Your skin will get so nice, very good. It's a very potent oil that you need. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of my almond oil. You have to continue mixing it until it's very smooth, just like this, and in a paste form. So if you want to use it to treat dark knuckles, you just have to be adding it like this. After washing the area, after exfoliating with the first method, okay? So I use this also on my dark knuckles until it fades away, and that is why I decided to make this treatment, okay? Because mine has gotten darker since last week. So you have to be scrubbing it like this after applying it. If it's your elbow, apply it on your elbow. So make sure you scrub it after applying it. Then you have to leave it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, when it's dried, you go wash it off. Repeat this treatment every day until there is no dark nails, dark elbows or dark toes anymore. You will start noticing improvements from 3rd day, okay? So I love this treatment a lot, and that is why I decided to try it once again. And it helped a lot. I'll store this in the refrigerator to use it next time, tomorrow. So just apply it every day until you get your result. You will notice results, okay? Surely. Thanks so much for watching. Do subscribe, give this video a thumbs up and share it to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.